Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Just finished running. Wanted to make a really quick video before I get in the shower. That's why you guys can hear the shower in the background. Very simple day. Before I start the video, if you guys can please give me a like, subscribe, and comment. Those likes definitely push my video out to other people that enjoy them as much as you guys, and you guys have been doing a great job. So if you guys can please take a second out of your day, like right now, just go over to the like button, click it, and then that's it. It really does help the channel grow. You guys have definitely been doing a great job these last couple of days. If we can get up to like 100 likes today, bro, that would be amazing, you guys. That'd be absolutely amazing. So please and thank you for that. Again, still bullish to the upside. I'm even more bullish right now. Historically, I am looking very simple today. I actually have somebody from the Patreon. His name is MG. So shout out to him. He actually made this prep. This is something that I'll probably explain, but he essentially said that there's going to be a lot of buyers here. I replicated what he was saying with the volume, what is it called? Volume profile from TradingView. So you guys can actually use it by going here, hitting the plus sign, drawings all the way down, going with prediction and measurement, click on fixed range and volume profile, and then add it add it for all of yesterday's date. So from the beginning candle to the close of the candle, and then you'll get something similar to here where you have the majority of the volume pressure around this range from like 411 ish all the way up to here. That's why I have that blue part highlighted. Took longs down here. These are my positions right now. So far not bad. Keep in mind, I don't show my portfolio often, and I'm not going to. So whenever I do have my portfolio videos, chances are I'll probably go back and delete those videos, to be honest. I don't like showing that stuff. But for here, very simple on the 8 hour. If this 8 hour, right now we are triggering right here on a bear signal. But looking back historically, every single time we've closed a bullish candle, which is obviously what we're doing right now, we're closing a bullish candle on an 8 hour trigger. The next candle we actually shoot up for about $10. So whatever the open price is at like 411, I do expect us to go up another $10. I will show you guys, I showed you guys and I go back, but it just it's going to take too much time for me to go back and actually look for historical for historical candles. But I already did this in the morning. So after the close from this 411 start, I do expect us to go up roughly to like a 418, 417 minimum to these highs again. 417, I think it's extremely likely today. My guess, my target today, my high target would be closer to 421. So with that being said, that's kind of it. There was retail news that came out today that was really good. So Amazon might pop, or any retail might actually pop a lot today on that news. But I'm bullish, still bullish up to like 420 or so, and I actually think we can probably hit that today. I'm looking for a 417, 418, and then max target would be like a 420, 421. If we hit that today at some point, I'm out of everything for longs. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.